Alright, my name is Syria Dampa Samuel. We are once again welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at this proof X. We are going to verify that this one is equal to this. Alright, so before we start, let's understand this. So in case you are given this A to the power 2t minus b to the power 2t. So in case we are given this one, now this one is the same as a to the power t minus b to the power t. So this one times a to the power t plus b to the power t. Alright, so let's verify that this one is equal to this. So this one times this is e to the power t times e to the power t. We have plus here. So this one times this is e to the power t e to the power t. Alright, so let's use the minus. So minus b to the power t times this one, that's minus a to the power t b to the power t. Alright, so minus b to the power t times this one, so you get that. Alright, so let's move on. So let's apply this here. So this one, we are going to add the exponent. So t plus t, get e to the power 3t. So this one will cancel this. We are left with minus. So t plus t, get 3t. Alright. So this one is equal to this. It means that this one is equal to this. Alright. Now, in case you are also given this one, e to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. So this one is also the same as a to the power 2 minus b to the power 2, then a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2. So let's verify this one and also see. So this one times this, you get a to the power 2 times a to the power 2. Now, so this one times we get plus a to the power 2 b to the power 2. Now this one times this is minus a to the power 2 b to the power 2. Then minus b squared times this one, get minus b squared times b squared. Alright, so this one, so let's add the exponent, so a to the power 4. So this one will cancel this, minus b to the power 4. This one is also understandable. So this one, I'm going to write this one as cos squared x plus sine squared x. So all times cos squared x minus sine squared x. Alright, so we are dealing with the left hand side. So the left hand side. Alright. Now I want to verify this one. Alright. Now, so we know from our basic trick that cos squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. Alright. Now I also know that cos a plus b. Now this one is the same as cos a cos b. So minus sine a sine b. Alright. So in case you're given this one, that's that. So what if they are the same, like x plus x? Alright, so we are going to get cos x cos x. So there you see minus sin x. Alright. So let's move on to cos. So x plus x is 2x. Alright. So cos x times cos x, cos squared x. Minus this one is sin squared x. Alright. So what is cos squared x minus sin squared x? Is cos 2x. Alright. So this one, when we put this one, we have cos squared x plus sin squared x. So times cos squared x minus sin squared x. Alright. Cos squared x plus sin squared x is 1. So this one is 1. So times cos squared x minus sin squared x is cos squared x minus sin squared x cos 2x. Cos 2x. Alright. So 1 times this is that. So cos 2x. So this one is cos 2x. So that's the proof. Alright. So you just have to understand how to open this one and you proceed. Alright. So thanks for watching. Alright.